Why did they put the lighthouse in Crater Lake?
They didn't.
Are you sure there isn't a lighthouse? Alright, first stop, we're gonna try out Cascades Coffee House. Okay, I got Oregon chai since I'm in Oregon, so it's a cute coffee house. Alright, we're walking to this cool looking pedestrian bridge over the Umpqua River, and there are lots of forest fires here in Oregon going on right now. So it is very hazy in these woods. And there's the bridge that goes across the river. It's pretty cool. Must be a part of a bike path or something. And here it is from the other way. Pretty wide river. Alright, there's a hot springs, but it's a little ways up, so we'll probably just take some pictures here. And it's pretty over here. And here. Here's our first waterfalls proper. That's cool. Alright, here's the falls from the little observation deck. And here she is trying to take pictures. Cool. There's the falls over there. What do you think these falls are going to look like?
These are going to be fabulous.
Yeah.
Woo.
Oh yeah, it's live. Looks so cool. It's all like coming out of all these. Yeah. Or also like one that we did go to in Utah. I forgot where that was. This is Diamond Lake Viewpoint. Pretty cool. Mountain in the back. They're activitying. I'm trying to fix. Smells like Christmas trees?
Yeah.
All right, we're at the Rogue River Gorge Viewpoint. And here's everything. It's cool, all this moss. Ooh. It's cool. Look at gorge all the way. This is nuts. It's a stump, and the root is connected with the other tree. So the stump itself is alive, but there's no tree. How crazy is that? This is gorgeous. Must be a waterfall over there. Comes down this way. And then that big rock on the bottom is a plugged lava tube. Right to the left of it is an unplugged lava tube. And then there's a collapsed lava tube up there.
It looks like
Yeah.
This thing's cool.
Is it gorgeous?
It's gorgeous.
And here's what we were seeing down there. All this water coming from there and then to the right, all different directions. What are you doing now?
Just hiking along a gorge.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The Roseburg is pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Lava tubes and all.
Yeah. It's really pretty. And it smells really good. Here.
Yeah. Hey. More waterfalls. There's a natural bridge up there, upriver from being made from lava tubes. That's pretty cool. And this is down the other way. Gorgeous. That's a cave, lava tube. Pretty cool. There's the cave again. And then we're going up. And then water comes out of lava tubes. It starts at Crater Lake, the Rogue River. Yeah. Hidden River. Oh. So it's not directly fed here where it's coming out over there. It's hidden underneath. Well, I guess some comes out over here too. Crazy. Alright, here's the piece de resistance, the natural bridge. Something. I don't see it. Or maybe this is the natural bridge. I guess it goes through there and comes out there. So we're at Avenue of the Boulders. There's this bridge and then the Rogue River. And there's all these huge boulders, which is probably like broken lava tubes again. And then this gorge. Pretty nuts.
Yeah, all those had to look like, because that, like over
Yeah.
there, is so flat.
Yeah.
pancake.
Yep.
So that,
Yeah. This lookout was a bust, and there's no direct route to it. Did see the boulders though. Alright, we're gonna try out BG's Diner. Okay, we got our meals. Christy got a burger, turkey sandwich, and I got a fish sandwich, and there's homemade fry sauce. Alright, we're back in California.
back in California.
Rue made it back. Yeah,
Yay.
we're back. Alright, so here's our little Airbnb room. It's just a little bedroom. But the cool thing about it is that we are right on the water. How cool is that? And then there's a beach road just right down there. Crazy. Alright, we're at this lighthouse, and it looks like it's low enough tide that there's people on the other side. So maybe if we hightail it, we can cut across. Here's a little pedestrian walkway at low tide. Alright, Battery Point Lighthouse. We're here. It's cool. Okay, here's a lighthouse, and here's a whale jumping out of the water. All kinds of other paraphernalia. All this stuff. Home's down that way, I think. Boathouse. Old historic water tower. This pile of timbers is what remains of the old water tower. This pile of timbers right here is what remains of the old water tower. So here's the front door to the lighthouse. When it's open, you can tour it for $5. But it's closed. Private keeper's residence. Probably no more.
Concentrate.
Some of the red ones?
Yeah, there's a red one to the left. Like all the way to the left.
Huh?
And then there's one
Yeah.
just a hint.
We're walking around and looking at the tide pools and the sneaker waves coming. This one's getting refreshed with each wave. You see anything? I bet you there's a
Shell.
yeah.
Oh, that one. There's a little crab walking around. Right there.
Oh yeah, I see
And
him.
there's a couple. There's one on top of here.
He's in a little
Like on
oh
top
yeah,
of
that's
it.
a big Miss Crabtree.
Yeah.
Look at this, the tide's coming in because there's water on both sides now, touching our little footbridge. Before, we didn't need to use the footbridge. Now we have to. We're at the Marine Mammal Rehabilitation Center. It's closed, but look at these little fatsos. How cute. Alright, we're at Seaquake Brewing Company and we're on an hour-long wait list. And so we got some beers and we're sitting outside. I forgot to film our dinners.
Oh.
But anyway, we're eating inside. I got shrimp
Caesar salad.
and you got another salad of some sort.
I got
But this is what it looks like inside. No one cares now. We've moved on to what it looks like now. There's a bar, there's an upstairs, there's lots of tables, we have a high top, there's an outside and such.